Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to enable or disable enhanced safe browsing in the Google Chrome browser. Enhanced safe browsing is a security feature in Chrome that provides faster and more proactive protection against dangerous websites, downloads and extensions. When enabled, Chrome offers real-time protection against phishing, malware and other online threats. Let's see how to turn it on or off. First open Chrome browser and then click on the triple dot menu in the top right corner. Scroll down and then click on the settings option. Now you need to select this one, privacy and security, in the left sidebar. On the right, click on the security. Here you will find three options under safe browsing: enhanced protection, standard protection, no protection. You need to select enhanced protection. After selecting this one option, Chrome will immediately start providing advanced real-time protection. If you want to disable enhanced safe browsing, you can select a standard protection instead. And if you completely want to turn off safe browsing, you can select no protection option, but this is not recommended because it may expose your system to harmful websites and downloads. That's it. These changes are applied instantly and you don't need to restart Chrome. This is how you can enable or disable enhanced safe browsing in Google Chrome. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more useful Windows and browser tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.